student, we can solve a problem by using inventory holding period, inventory turnover ratio or inventory holding period. A limited sold goods worth rupees 2 lakh. A limited sold goods worth rupees 2 lakh with the GP ratio, that is gross profit ratio, 20%. The stock at the beginning and at the end was 28,000 and 22,000 respectively. Calculate inventory holding period. A limited sold goods worth rupees 2 lakh with the gross profit ratio of 20%. The stock at the beginning and at the end was 28,000 and 22,000 respectively. Calculate inventory holding period. First we have to calculate inventory turnover ratio, that is ITR. It's also known as STR, stock turnover ratio. Both are same. Inventory turnover ratio and stock turnover ratio both are same. Is equal to cost of goods sold divided by average stock. Cost of goods sold divided by average stock. What is the cost of goods sold? Cost of goods sold is directly given in the problem. So, cost of goods sold. Sold goods worth rupees 2 lakh. That is the cost of goods sold. Amounted to rupees 2 lakhs. Directly given. We cannot adjust anything. Gross profit ratio is given. It does not taken into account. Because cost of goods sold is directly given in the problem. Rupees 2 lakh. Then average stock. How it will be calculated? Average stock in this problem, opening and closing stock will be, opening and closing stock is also given. So we have to calculate average stock is equal to opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. Average stock is calculated only if the opening stock and closing stock is also given in the problem. You have to calculate average stock is equal to opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. Opening stock amounted to rupees 28,000. Opening stock amounted to rupees 28,000. Closing stock were 22,000. Closing stock were 22,000. Whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. We will get 25,000. Average stock is equal to. Average stock is equal to 25,000. We can substitute. Average stock 25,000. Cost of goods sold 2 lakhs. Cost of goods sold is equal to 2 lakhs divided by average stock 25,000. The answer is 8 times. The answer is 8 times. The answer is 8 times. So we can calculate. We have already got STR or ITR, that is 8 times. Now we can use this for calculating inventory holding period. Inventory holding period. What is the equation for calculating inventory holding period? Yes, inventory holding period is equal to 360 days in a year divided by STR. Okay, STR is equal to, we can substitute it, 360 divided by STR 8. 360 divided by STR 8. Now we will get 45 days. Inventory holding period is 45 days.